Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Hyundai Kona, and we're going to do the lower chrome delete installation for the front for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the front panel, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it gives the vehicle a different look. If you like the product, the link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panel. So in order to prep the panel, all you need is water and baby shampoo mixed together inside a spray bottle. Once you have your solution, spray it onto a clean microfiber towel and make sure to start removing all the contaminants that the panel may have. And make sure as you're cleaning the panel, once you're done, to have everything completely dry. That way the adhesive on the film doesn't get damaged with any water left over. So once you finish prepping the panel, now we can start with the installation. So with this one, just align it right on the top section and make sure you're covering the chrome on top and you have enough material to wrap around this corner edge here. So just follow the design as you go and place the film. The next thing you need to do once you place the film is applying heat around the curve here and also around here. That way we help the film curve underneath here, and then we will trim off the excess material that's underneath that we don't need here. So grab your heat gun, apply heat on the curved areas, and just help it tack down slowly. And for this part, just help it tack down around the curve and just make sure you don't accidentally crease it. You can apply a little bit of heat to help it wrap around. Once you've placed the film and it's been wrapped around underneath the panel, now we could trim off the excess material. If you have any on top, trim it off. There is a small gap here where you could enter your blade and trim off the excess material, just like this. But if you don't have any excess material on the top section, you should be fine. Just make sure to apply heat to secure it. And also there's a gap here in the top. And then underneath the panel, there is going to be a small gap where you could enter your blade and trim off this excess material. You just have to look underneath. So trace it out. Once you find it, enter your blade and trim it off. And the same steps that were done here, you would just repeat it here, and then once you're done applying both sides of the film, then we could post heat the entire panel. So as mentioned, the same steps that were done here, you would repeat it on this side. So just align it right on the edge, follow the design as you go, and then the rest will wrap around underneath. Lift it carefully here and just do the same. Follow the panel up until the edge. If you need to lift it to readjust it, you can. That way you don't have to trim off the excess material on top, and that should be good. And now just apply heat here and around the curve, and after that everything else should sit. Help the film tuck underneath the panel here and then trim off the excess material. And to finish it off, make sure to apply heat on both areas. That way, in case there is some film still lifting, we help it tack back down. And then just finish off on the other side. And then the last thing is to post heat the entire panel. So once you finish with the whole installation for the front panel, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire panel. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down faster to the panel that was just worked on. And if there's still any film lifting, we help it by tacking it back down. So just take your time to post heat the entire panel. And once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the front chrome delete installation for the 2022 Hyundai Kona. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.